Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. So in today's video, I am going to be reviewing some gel polishes from Nail Reserve. They sent me a few gel polishes, and also to note, Nail Reserve was also known as Nail Addict, so they did some restructuring and rebranding. So these are the gel polishes that they sent, and I'm so excited. So I just want to say thank you to Nail Reserve for sending me these gel polishes. So the first one here is a gel top coat. They sent a gel top coat for me. Then the second one right here is called Electric Green, which is a neon green gel polish, and it is really pretty. Next, we have White Addict, which is this white gel polish. I have used this gel polish before when they were known as Nail Addict, and I loved this white gel polish, so that's why I decided to get another one. Then we have Electric Orange, which is this neon orange gel polish, so pretty. Then we have Electric Rose, which is this pink gel polish, a very pretty gel polish. I love this one, and pink is my favorite color anyway, so I would love anything pink. Next we have Marry Me, which is this soft pink gel polish as well. I think it is pink. Well, it's kind of nude, so I would say a very nudish pinkish gel polish. Either way, it's really pretty. And last but not least, Electric Yellow, which is a neon yellow gel polish. All of them are really pretty, and I really love how all of them look. These are for the summer, and I know summer is almost ending, so I just wanted to get this video out very soon. So I am swatching all of the gel polishes that I got, and it only needed one coat in order to reach full opacity. That was really good. I love how all of the gel polishes were applied to the swatches, and the gel polishes were applied so effortlessly. The colors were really thick, so it was applied very thick but not too thick to cause ripple when they cure. I don't know how to explain it, but it was a really good experience when I applied the gel polishes to the swatches, and they looked so good. I applied my top coat off camera, by the way. So this is how the swatches are looking with outdoor lighting. They look so pretty, and this is how it looks with studio lighting, and they look pretty regardless of the lighting. I love all of the colors that they sent, and yeah, let me know what you guys think about the colors that I got in the comments below. So if you would like to purchase anything from Nail Reserve, you can use my code. It will be listed in the description below with a link and on the screen. And this code gives you 50% off of any Nail Reserve products on their website except bundles, and it does not work when they have automatic promotions. So now I'm going to be applying my nail tips so that I can apply some of these beautiful gel polishes to my nails. So I start by applying my gel base coat to all of the nails, and then I cure for 30 seconds. And I'm using rubbing alcohol as my sip solution because I am going to be applying these nail tips with polygel. I thought it was easier, and I didn't really want to apply it with glue or base coats. I just thought I would apply it with polygel today. So I just placed some of the polygel inside of the nail tip, and then I placed the nail tip on my nail. And it's a lot more easier to apply it with polygel because it stays on the nail, so I can apply all of the nail tips before curing all of the nails. So that's why I like that I can apply it with clear polygel. So I cured for 30 seconds, and this is how the nails are looking. Now I'm just using some rubbing alcohol to remove any stickiness that may be on the nail, and then I am going to be filing around the cuticle area with my cuticle bit just to remove any of the buildup of polygel that may have seeped out when I was applying the nail tip. And then I filed the sides and the free edge of the nails to get that crisp shape. And next I buffed the surface of the nails to remove the shine. So I decided to apply some gel base coat to the nail tips because I want the gel polishes to go on very smoothly. So applying the gel base coat is optional to nail tips. You don't need to apply gel base coat to nail tips, but I wanted to do it before applying the gel polish to the nails. So I cured that for 30 seconds, and I'm going to be using electric yellow first. So I'm going to be using that on the pinky nail. So I apply my first layer. And when applying gel polishes, it's kind of difficult for me. I'm not that good with applying gel polishes because it's usually very messy. I don't know why I'm not that good, but sometimes I'm just not that good. So with this nail set, I think the nails look good. I think I improved, and I think that is because of the brush applicator in these gel polishes. Sometimes it all depends on the brush that you use when applying gel polish. It makes it easier, and sometimes it could make it harder. And I think this gel polish, the brush applicator in this gel polish, or all of the gel polishes from Nail Reserve, made gel polish application a lot more easier in my opinion. So I did 3 layers of this yellow gel polish on the pinky nail, and I cured each layer for 30 seconds. So I really thought I could get away with applying 1 layer, however it didn't work out like it did on the swatch stick, and that's kind of weird. It's not really weird. I have found that when I apply 1 layer and I get a great opacity on swatch sticks, it doesn't really transfer well to on my nails, and I think it's because of the nail bed color. My nail bed color is pink, so that is kind of the reason why you wouldn't get the same opacity as you would get on a swatch stick. So I'm just going to say that I had to do 3 layers on my nail in order to reach full opacity, and I cured each layer for 30 seconds. Now moving on to the thumbnail, I am going to be doing the same thing, and I really love this color, and I really love how it was being applied to my nail. It was so therapeutic to me just applying the gel polish to my nail, and I didn't really need to do all those strokes that I'm doing right here, but I don't know, I was just like in a trance and I just wanted to just paint my nails a lot. So yeah, that's what I was really doing. I didn't need to apply all those strokes. So on the thumbnail, I am applying the same color, and I did 3 layers as well. And I'm using acetone to clean around the cuticle area before I cure the nails. Now I'm going to be using white addict on the rest of the nails. So white is a kind of tricky gel polish to apply. It's really a hit or miss, I'm not going to lie. It's very difficult to apply white gel polish or the powder neatly to your nails, and I was really shocked that it was applied really good. I was happy about that. So yeah, I was just cutting off a little piece of the brush right there because it was kind of going to mess up the design a little. And as I said before, I really love using Nail Reserve white gel polish. I used to really love the white gel polish from Nail Addict, which is the same company, just different branding. So I knew I was going to love this white gel polish, and I really did. So I did 3 layers of this white gel polish on the nail, and I cured each layer for 30 seconds. So I'm going to be doing some TikTok hacks on the nails now, and to the left you all will see one of the TikTok hacks that I am going to be trying to achieve, and this is more of a rose quartz nail that the nail artist is doing. However, I'm going to be doing marble, which is basically the same thing. So I am going to be using a nail stamper and placing some gel polishes on the nail stamper and just placing it on my nail to create the marble. However, that first one did not work out the way I wanted it to, so I'm going to be doing it again. So I just placed the white gel polish and some of the yellow gel polish and also a little bit of the pink gel polish on the stamping tool. And then I'm just going to stamp the colors all over the index nail to create a marble gel polish nail. The pink really wasn't that prominent on the nail, so I decided to apply a little more pink and some of the yellow gel polish to the stamper. And then I proceed to stamp again, and I think it turned out really good. So you let me know what you guys think. I really love how this looks, and this is such an easy nail hack to do in order to achieve some gel polish marble nails. So I am just cleaning around the cuticle area with some acetone, and when I'm satisfied I would cure that for 30 seconds. So this is how the nail is looking. Now I'm going to be doing another marble on the ring nail. So I just placed some of the pink gel polish and some of the yellow. So this time I decided just to place 2 of the gel polishes instead of the white, and it turned out a lot better. I should have done it on the index nail. So yes, that's how it looks, and I'm going to be doing another layer just to get the colors brighter on the nail. And then I would clean around the cuticle area and cure that for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to be applying my gel top coat from Nail Reserve to all of the nails, and then I would cure that as well for 30 seconds. And this gel top coat is one of those top coats that you have to wipe off when you're finished. It's not a no wipe top coat. I think I'm saying that correctly. So you have to wipe off the top coat when you're finished curing. I'm not really a fan of top coats like that, but it's fine. It's not that bad. I'm just not a fan of top coats like that. So after curing the nails for 30 seconds, I'm going to be doing another TikTok hack. So this TikTok hack requires a plastic bag or something with plastic, and you would be doing nail art on the plastic and then placing it on your nail, which is such a cool nail hack. I had to try it out. So I am just going to be drawing some hearts on the plastic right here, and I'm using the pink gel polish to do so. Then I would cure that for 30 seconds. Next, I'm using a tweezer to remove the nail art from the plastic, and this is how it looks. It looks so good. Let me know what you guys think, and let me know if y'all would be doing this nail hack. It's such an easy nail hack to do. So I am going to be drawing some more hearts on the plastic and curing that for 30 seconds. I think I did about 3 more hearts on this plastic and cured it for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to be using some of the gel top coat to adhere the heart to my nail. So I just placed some of the gel top coat on the heart, and then I placed it on my nail, and I will cure that for 30 seconds. So I'm going to be doing that for 3 of the nails, and then when I'm finished with all, I would cure for 30 seconds. And this is how the nails are looking. So now I'm going to be placing some rhinestones on the nails as well. So I just top coated the nails that I applied the hearts to, and before curing those, I would place a rhinestone on each of the nail, and then I would cure for 30 seconds. So this is how it looks, and I think it looks really good. It's such a simple and easy nail set that anyone can do. So I'm going to be applying my cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nails. And this is the finished look. So let me know what you guys think about it. And I really enjoyed using Nail Reserve's gel polishes. They were applied so easily and so effortlessly. Let me know what you guys think, and if you're interested in purchasing anything from Nail Reserve, you can use my code, which will be listed in the description below. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.